Yeah, viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, Eze-Ana abụ m onye isi nchụaja n'Ugochi tubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa gbaa afa miri emi dokwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụgazi m onye isi nchụaja n'ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala niile. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke eziokwu, isiokwu anyị ji wee bịa bụ family with poverty history. I kwuo na o nwere ọtụtụ family with poverty history in their lineage. That is, how they poor, they are poor and broke to the extent that the poor call them poor. If you are from part of that family, such family, I want to talk to you. I want to tell you how you can be able to break that chain of poverty, that yoke. Because nothing happens for nothing. There must be a reason why such things continuously happening. Despite the fact that you are working hard and nothing changes. Yes, that chain of poverty in your lineage must be broken. And if you pay attention to this lecture, believe in me, I will tell you what you need to do. Yes, for you to break that chain that made it impossible for anybody from your family to break through, no matter how hard they work. Before we dive into today's lecture, HFUNA, we are still in the month of July. Our monthly ritual for the month is still ongoing. You can join us anywhere you are all over the world. All over the world. The friends of the temple, the children of the temple, the members of Ordinary Restoration Evangelical Mission and the consecrated group. We keep doing like that till the last of the month. We visit the waters to Iloma, na Hamadudim. I've been at temple to Aja to entities of powers. Jeneben to Aja Bue Mesaraka. One net to Aquaja Makanaja carried over. Yes. So if we have nature issue and Anyawaja, morning will ask you and Ankuzia. WhatsApp number big and you want 0805 78377672 or 0813824381. Now screen you have numbers in Dampol. Now let's proceed. The topic of today is family with poverty history. And I'm here to put it on to you that no smoke without fire. From the ancient time, most family upon every family were okay haketala. Sena etos were torn tananya mungu. And well family ketaro gondo. They have longevity. If you go to, there's one village I went to. These people here, they have people with longevity like 120, 130, 110, 100 and everything. There are plenty in that particular clan. The same way in some families. Some family katara okay. Ogonogondo. Onwero family hatara okay. Awisike. Onwe family hatara okay abomma. Ma afu areba wona afrasa no hawa. Nwe family hatara okay. Nda na ihe ha na-ete na egwu adoro mma. Da dancers. Nwe family hatara okay amama brain, their intellectual sound, they have it. They are educationists. Onwe family ketaro. But today, actually, if we family have poverty, to the extent that na the poor that happen. If you are from such a family, to the extent that poor people call you poor, call your family poor people, come close. I want to talk to you. I want to put it clear to you that there is no smoke without fire. That sometimes, also at the foundation, either the well foundation unkept agreement, or the well cause them behind it. More they will obubando, more wokwe kubiri, danyamo is na foundational base, and such whatever it is. Us our family begin determine male benyabo that poverty na agwagebo ndenka depo na hapo. Enya anya na aka ndị poor and I hit before. I'm not talking to people that are lazy naturally. No. See, I'm talking about that family that they have 5 boys, 7 boys, they have girls, beautiful ones, and nothing good comes. Even if when they work very hard and deserve to be given some certain opportunity, what they will receive at the end of everything is, sorry, we cannot take you. Sorry, we had enough. Despite the fact that some of them will even have good results in school, but they keep applying for job, nothing. The time I got you, time I said, sorry, we are not employing now. Okay, come on, succeed, even in Kenya boy. Basia boy can do. The last time I get you a boy, and when you get or when I get you goga, and finally, I will get Konya and is. Oh, when you go one knows on my boy be a guy, ye lay allegation. This year, ye will bunaya. Go wherever I took your 1 o'clock and attack. O for the name highway, get your all. That down I have been a go account. Company. That day go up one door is way. By the time what you got an company, I go quick koja. They go on the job. We had any other staff. I get up successfully. Was here, say, Tom, a car. Abamba to one over Even doors are not free. Wherever you go, in second, negativity will always follow them. Where elders go and succeed, they will go there, they will never succeed. But so I want to have you to here. But I got that thing very scarce. Obron had a bumbo. Hana bumbo doors on our back. Indigenous what you may have a child woman after all. Nke what I will recall about I don't need all one. Of him at 2 which I want to spare one. Then I roll like a gun or harm all mana no joke or mother that's how no more can they I want to talk to you. Those family on our bone, those on the jam, one more town, Nanu, the children, Hana, Pat, Munya, on your yard, more. Go to them, one edge, go, they let Tom on well, a job operation. Therefore, one a leco here, or for that, but one and no to the extent that the guy, they can't even a brother. Where the poor is calling them poor. If you are facing such a thing in your family or your lineage, I want to talk to you. I can tell you without missing words that there are so many things are involved. Oh, well, you go see no one day he will go. Yes. Oh, well, you go see no Abumono, LL. Oh, well, you go one family maybe put their own Abumono Makana, ha maybe Abuman do mobile. Maybe I party or more than a back. Ọbụrụ taa they had bakwa. Enwere ọdịbara mgbe ezi dị n'okwu ụkwa. Onye akpata na ọtụtụ family, most family install aquarium. What is aquarium? Aquarium is the goddess of fertility, multiplication. In order to end the menace. Some family happened to them. That is why their forefathers then installed aquarium. So before you destroy aquarium in your lineage, ask why that aquarium was installed for the first time. To avoid destroying the aquarium, your family will go back to square one. To avoid your family going back to square one. So what am I saying? Now, it does not start today. The issue of seeing some families that are facing challenges concerning poverty does not start today. And in most cases, the forefathers of that particular family has done something to stop it. But the generation of nowadays, some family destroyed theirs. So if your family is one of those families that destroyed that ancestral covenant, entered in good faith with your ancestors, with the gods, let me tell you what will shock you. In the spiritual realm, we have entities of powers in various divisions doing 1 or 2. Water multiplication. enwere ndị na-eweta jọk. All some of these spirits that bring multiplication na-eweta ọmụmụ mmụsa na mmụba, whether ma ọmụmụ ma ọmụmụ ego ma multiplication, anything multiplication, all that spirit ka ya ancestors summon n'ụdị akwari wee mee install in order to end the menace of poverty. That is what you destroy. Now, if what is the problem has to do with akwari, that is why I told you that it's only deep alpha will detect. If it has to do with akwari, you have to appease the spirit of akwari or install fresh one. Either appeasement or install the first one, depend on what they will accept based on the alpha. 2. If that's what caused it is as a result of agreement abandoned by your fathers, the ancient agreement entered in good faith with the spirits, and your fathers abandoned it because the Hajaveroka, then a new covenant must be installed and respected for things to begin to flow well. 3. If the cause of the problem is as a result of breaking covenant, or breaking covenant, you restore it. The problem is as a result of if it's as a result of aka wee megide ezinụlọ n'ụlọ ga-atagide afọ were eze kpee ekwere. If as a result of that, I have solution to it. I will help you and your family to break that yoke. Yes. And when you yoke, some of you have been breaking yoke with word of mouth. Man, I can tell you, not every yoke you break with ordinary mere word of mouth. And when you yoke, you get break by joining, matching the word of mouth with action. And when necessary things and action that must be taken to break the yoke. So I can tell you now, so most families are under this bondage of yoke that is made it impossible for any of them in their family to succeed, whether man or woman. Despite all the effort they put in place, hard work. If they do at the end of the day, if they work hard, work at the end of the day, whenever it becomes their turn to shine, story will enter. I don't know what you are passing through in your family or your line is, but if your family is one of those families that experiencing this, where at the level of where the poor call you people poor, don't keep quiet, because meaning when you keep quiet, it means that you are comfortable where you are. You must be angry to change the narrative. You must be angry to put a stop to such thing that is beyond their capacity. You engage somebody that knows how to do that. Once you fold your hands, there's nothing you can do. You go to your family on people, nothing progress. You see a family where they have boys. The least one is maybe 25, 30 years. Men, but they cannot boast of reasonable thing. And it's happening for both man and woman. Even rich in-law cannot even come to the family. Even if the person like you elsewhere, or to do the right thing, the person will run away. It's not as if that you have already offended the person. No. But because of that poverty, the family is carrying everybody away. Even spiritually, the person will not know what will make the person to lose interest in you. Don't keep quiet when such a thing happens. Let me stop here. I don't want this video to be long. But join us in our administration so that we will learn more. In the name of Chukwu Okepremi Henine, all over the world. As you all know, I'm an ancient priest and not an evangelist. If you have any question in today's lecture, you want to ask me any question, ask me on WhatsApp 0805 78 37672 or 0813 8243 871. May the blessing of Chukwuoke Premier be with you all. May you be protected. May you be protected. May you be liberated. May there be miracle in your life. May the work of your hands begin to yield fruit. Now, Chukwuoke Premier, you can listen to me. Let us pray. Ekwem, ekwem, ekwem. Ekwerem na Chineke. Ekwerem na ọ dịghị ihe siri m ike nke Chineke na-apụghị izi m ụzọ m ga-esi lụwo ya n'ihi na ọ mazuru ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya. Ya gazie. May the blessing of Chukwuoke Premier be with you all now and forevermore. Ka emesịa, udo dịrị unu.